Technology is reaching new heights. New innovation is allowing us to work smarter. It's also helping to simplify work, better protect assets, and ultimately make commercial building systems more advanced. Introducing Edwards ConnectedSafety Plus. Edwards ConnectedSafety Plus is a cloud-based software-as-a-service solution that provides your Edwards partner with a secure remote connection into your EST4 fire and life safety system. Think of it as the ultimate set of eyes and ears for your facility, monitoring your systems and offering actionable intel for improving system performance to help ensure your system is ready when needed. Edwards ConnectedSafety Plus unlocks the intelligence of your EST4 system, instantly providing a customizable, comprehensive view and system status of your entire portfolio of connected sites, whether you have one or multiple locations. The Manager Plus dashboard puts it all at your fingertips. One easy-to-use dashboard where you can view predictive maintenance, diagnostics, and reports, and access insights into the health and history of your fire system. The Floor Plan Plus feature automatically associates the fire system devices in your site's floor plan with the system configuration, allowing you to see a bird's eye view of your facility. Once Floor Plan Plus has been optimized, technicians can conduct a guided inspection with the Inspection Plus feature, a user-friendly tool that displays pass or fail and device status, reducing overall inspection and repair time. Tech Support Plus offers a new level in customized, connected support. This feature allows the support team to view your connected site system during support calls to assist with accelerating on-site issue resolution through a digitally optimized experience. And you can have confidence that Edwards ConnectedSafety Plus is secure by design, with cybersecurity protocols that are integrated from concept development to release, and ongoing evaluation of the security of the product. Are you ready for a solution that unites system data to optimize your fire system performance with comprehensive device health and status? Visibility to detailed reporting and timely information? A solution that offers an unlimited number of user licenses, detailed system insights resulting in fewer maintenance trips and better support from your service partners, and the confidence that current life safety cybersecurity compliance standards are being met? Welcome to your smarter, connected future with Edwards ConnectedSafety Plus.